YouTube, we back at it again. Today we have another electric dirt bike, 14-inch front, 12-inch rear, pit bike. This one is by LikeBike. This is the LikeBike LF01. LikeBike LF01. This is a 48 volt, 3000 watt electric dirt bike. Has about 54 miles of range. Top speed right under 40. Currently priced under $1,000. Last time I looked, it was 900 and some change. You use my coupon code, you get it for a lot less. Available via LikeBike, available via Amazon, also available via Walmart. Actually, I just pulled it up on Amazon, and today it is $848 and it's in stock. Says if I ordered it right now, today's Saturday. Today is Saturday, the 15th of August. It says if I ordered it right now, it'll be here Monday. So it's in stock in the US, ready to roll. This is the LikeBike. I'm loving the yellow because I get a lot of black bikes with orange wheels. I get a lot of all black bikes. I get a lot of red bikes. The last LikeBike I had was a pedal assisted model. That one was black and yellow also. But I'm a fan of this yellow because it stands out and it's fresh, man. But this is the LikeBike. It has 3 levels, 3 speed levels. Like I said, top speed right under 40. It has a headlight, aggressive headlight, no tail light. It has motorcycle brakes. It has a no-name suspension. Let's see if the rear is adjustable. You can adjust the rear, you cannot adjust the front. Come on, man. It's a pit bike, 48 volts. Let's see. Let's see what the 23 amp hours. So like I said, you're getting over 50 miles of range on this thing. Suspension was comfortable. The seat has a nice thickness to it. I've already been out here riding for a little while. As you can see, I made it to the little nature trail. So I've been riding currently for about 20 minutes. I've already done 3.8 miles. And look at that. I don't know if it ever comes clear. I can't tell until I look at it later, but it says I reached 39 miles an hour. So come on. I'm 5'10", 194 pounds. GPS right here says I made it to 39 miles an hour. The display showed 40. So at least we know the display is not that far off. But this is the LikeBike LF01. I'm gonna hit you with a little footage. It's just like any other pit bike. It arrived for me via FedEx, packaged well. All of these pit bikes normally, man, less than an hour to assemble them. This one was no different. I think it was 30 or 45 minutes. As long as FedEx doesn't damage your box, you're in the game in under an hour. But it's the LikeBike LF01. I'm gonna test it out. I'm already almost 4 miles in, no complaints yet. Y'all be easy, you heard? Display says 40. My GPS says 39. So, display's pretty accurate. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna do a hill test. This freaking camera, since it's wide angle, doesn't do it justice, but look at how steep this incline is over to my right. It's really, really steep. Now, I go up it a lot with the drone following me, so a lot of people can't really tell how deep it is or why I'm even going up the hill. But this is a steep hill. We're on the LikeBike LF01. We're gonna do a really quick hill test. Let's go. No problem. No problem. No problem. Too bad you can't tell how steep it is, but it is very steep. LikeBike LF01. Plenty of torque to get you up an incline. right, so I finished my first ride on the LikeBike LF01. This is a fun bike, man. For it to only be 48 volts, this thing has so much torque. Did a little hill test, it went up the hill, no problem. I even tried it at the end of my trip just to make sure, see how it performs after the battery's gone down, and even on the way home, man. But I know y'all probably can't see this because it's freaking bright out here. But I was riding for over an hour and 20 minutes. I did over 10 miles. My max speed, 39 miles an hour. Fun bike, man. And mind you, I was pinning it even on the way back. So even after riding it for over an hour, I'm only missing 2 bars. You know, that doesn't really mean much to me. I didn't look to see if this shows the voltage. Shows your trip, your odometer, and your speed. That's it. No voltage. Come on, man. Need voltage, guys. But anyway, for this thing to be priced under 900 bucks, this is definitely a deal. It's a 48 volt, plenty of torque, plenty of zip. Let me verify on my other app the numbers. Yeah, this one shows also 39 miles an hour, man. So I tell you all the time, I'm 5'10", 194 pounds, and it's getting 39 miles an hour consistently with me on it. Even on the way back, I was seeing 40 after I'd already put some miles on it. But this is a solid bike. This is the LikeBike LF01. Definitely recommend it. Use my coupon code. Currently priced on Amazon under $900, and my coupon code make it a lot less. She got not your average trucker. This one is definitely a yes from me. I even like the way it looked, man. I don't know if I want to throw supermotos on it because I don't really like riding the small wheel setups. You know, I like wheels that are 19 inches or better. But it's a beautiful bike. It's your guy, not your average trucker. Y'all be easy.